Alright, now this is the hardest one we've done so far. Good luck to him. Well, we don't know if it's that hard. We don't know if it's even impossible, but we'll see. He looks worried. You look worried. Hold on, mate. Wait, stop there. Show everyone what you're going through. Got a really steep, muddy bank here. Big stream. Gives you some idea of the slope. A couple of ponds. And we piled some rocks up there, and then off he goes. Right. Let's go across the bridge, get a good vantage point up here. Okay, go on. Oh, take it easy. Bit of sliding. That's it. Well done. Well, he's done it. He's done it.
Bit me.
All right, we want to go further ahead, mate.
Yeah, right. Traction control came on there.
Yeah. Oh, I can smell clutch.
Oh no.
Yes, that's loads. That's fine. That's fine.